Chainlink holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. As you know, it is the end of June and get ready for the July month. What's the current price of the Chainlink and what will be the price of Chainlink in the July? Is the price pump? Is the price jump in the July? And this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. My friends, at this time, the latest price of the Chainlink in this time is 18.6 USD dollar. 18.6 USD dollar is the currently price of the Chainlink. And furthermore, if we discuss the price of Chainlink in a Bitcoin and a BTC, so 0.0005338 Bitcoin is the price of the Chainlink. My friends, if you look the whole updates of the Chainlink, so now this time it is the end of June, so at this time everything is going good, everything is positive and the Chainlink, because it is the end of month. And now from yesterday the Chainlink start pumping. The previous month you can see here the price changes of the Chainlink, and the last 1 week price change is negative, the previous change is negative. So but the latest 24 hours yesterday and now the currently change of the Chainlink is positive. So that's why I'm telling you that get ready for a July month. July month is the good month of the Chainlink. Hope my friends, if we do technical analysis, so that's clear that Chainlink will continue this pump for a long time. That's a resistance line, that's a support line, and now in the previous time the price is completely fast down, and now at this time in the end of June they will bounce with the support line, my friends, and now straight up. You can see here now at this time the price is going to increase. My friends, there is a possibilities to the Chainlink will continue this pump throughout this whole month. Throughout the whole July month the Chainlink continue this pump. Anyways, we can't say about the future. How do you feel today about Chainlink? Please tell me in the comment box. What is your opinion? What is your prediction? Please tell me. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech for more news and updates videos.